Hi everyone, and welcome to my second $25,000 options trading challenge. I'm doing a little bit of a different series. I stopped filming my option trades just because I feel like my account has gotten too big and people can't follow. So I'm doing something people can follow with $25,000. I'm trying to see if I could beat the market based on certain rules. Right now, this is on my second video. I'm a month in. I am not beating the market. I'm not doing well at all, and I'll show you why. But I'm just going to go into the rules first. So $25,000, I'll only be selling 25,000 US. I'll only be selling, not buying, because you can make more selling options. I'd rather be the casino than the gambler. Only the US market, because there's no options, there's no volume on other like the Canadian stocks. I used to have fun doing options on Air Canada, but there's just no volume. I don't think it's realistic for the majority of the viewers. So I'll be doing different strategies for each trade. I'm not going to be just doing the wheel or selling cash secured puts or covered calls. So I'm trying to pick 2 or 3 different strategies so I can just show you my thought process. 45-day selling. This is the tasty trade way. So it has been back tested to be the most, let's say the most efficient, and you can make the most amount of money. So 45-day selling, and then try to close with 14 days left, which these options have around 15, 16 days left. So I'll do it now. And then I'm going to take profit at 75% or 14 days to expiration. I did make 75% on both of these. And then the market went up, so I ended up losing now. I wasn't able to film closing it, but I might adjust it in the future. So what I try to aim for is 1.5% per month minimum. Let's say the S&P 500 average is 10% a year. So if I'm able to get 18% in a year, I think I'll be feeling pretty good. And that has been my average for a while. Like last year, I made 18%, but the market went up 25. So I made 18. The market did better than what I could have done. Cool. So let's just look at what's been happening since I made the trade. SPY was 502, and now it is 511, going on to 512. So where is February? What was it? February 2nd? Yes. Oh, wow. So I think I did it February 5th or so. So SPY was 500, and I tried calling a 510, 515 cap. SPY has never been this high. Obviously, look at the day chart. This is the highest it's ever been. So everything is like new territory for us. So if we go into my positions, so I'm down $800. So in Canadian dollars, I had 37,000 before, but now I'm at 36,000. So down 800, which is fine. Look at the portfolio. I only have two trades in here, a SPY bear spread. So I'm selling a call and then buying a call further out for protection because I don't like selling naked calls. That's scary. And I have a cash secured put here. So if we look at the buying power used, hopefully I can make this fit all in one screen. So if we take a look, selling one Tesla put at the 160 strike. So you'd calculate that as one option times 160 times 100, because every option is 100 shares. So I'm using $16,000 here. And then I sold five bear spreads. So you'd calculate that as the spread. So 515 is my top end, 510 the low end. So 5 options times 500. I'm at $2,500. So obviously you can see I only used 18,500. I'm leaving myself room to manage in case things went sideways, and they did. Hopefully this can show. I'll probably put my face on the top right or something. So I made $207 on his cash secured put. I'm losing $800. So of my max loss, 842 divided by 2,500 max loss. So this is like a 33% of my max loss. I'm going to roll it out, up and out, and add contracts. So what I do like about interactive brokers, if you're like, hey, what do I do? Do I buy or close? How do I adjust it? What if I make a mistake? Because here I have to buy to close this one, but I have to sell to close this one. But they do have a close option. So I'll just click close. Limit price. If you're going to do it properly, you should choose a price you want to get filled at. Just for the video, I'm just going to do market. I know people have been complaining about my market orders. Let's close that out. Okay, that got filled instantly, actually. So if you know what? How do I my positions. It was previously summed up. How do I make them close all? Ooh, close all positions. I didn't know this existed. Close all positions. Ooh, this is my first time using this. Amount, close positions, 100%, 75. Oh, that's interesting. Look at this. Oh, I didn't realize. Learning on the fly. Warning, closing close positions. Okay, we'll close long and short. Let's close. You're about to close all your positions. Let's do this. There's insufficient market data. Yes. Look at that. Your order is not accepted. It would cause a margin deficit. Oh. That's annoying. Options. No, positions. Let me close. Close. Let's go market. 5. Sell order. That's annoying. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so what we're going to do is do the same trades all over again. And I'm going to try to win this time. So I just selected Tesla. I'm going to go into the options chain. Over here, you have the ribbon of the number of days. 2 days from now is March 8th. I'm going to choose closest to 45 days, which is here. We're going to be selecting a put based on the delta. I'm going to go, I might go to the 18.5. So 82% chance of success. And let's just calculate the potential return on this. Because I just see Tesla going down. If we go in the last, what is this? So Tesla was at 200. I could have made more money if I closed it earlier. So Tesla seems to be on a downtrend. I'm not going to go too close. If I go 160, it might be too close. 155 gives me a little more leeway. And it still pays a decent amount. So let's say I'll be making 380, which is the midpoint. So $380 at 15,500 of total risk. So this is potentially 2.45 for 45 days. So if we do divide by 45 times 30, 1.63 per month, not bad. I'd be making a lot more if I did the 160. So 5 divided by 160 divided by 45 times 30. So that's 2%. Should we go closer? Let's go closer to the money. If anything, I'll get assigned here and I'll just run the wheel. You know what? Let's do this. So again, be careful on what you choose. This is buying a put, which I don't want to. I want to sell a put. So let's click here. Let us go order 505. Limit, I want to check $5, which is in the midpoint. I'm going to sell. Done. Did it do it? Did it put the order in? Trade. Order and trades. Okay, just waiting to get filled. Now let's go into the SPY section. Go to options. Again, so it's automatically selecting the closest one. So if we go into the ribbon, look for 45 days. So it's the same date, which is April 19th. I'm going to still sell a bear spread. What I'm going to do, maybe a little riskier, closer to the money, the delta, let's say 525, which is 30. And then we'll use 530 as protection. So let's see what we can estimate here. And I'm going to aim for profit. Remember, I lost $800 on the previous one. So this is 386 minus 250, $1.36 per contract, 136 per contract times 10. So after my loss, I should still be up 500, which is kind of what I wanted initially. So that's what I'm going to do. So here's what you have to do. Remember, clicking on the buying and selling. I'm going to sell this one and then buy this as protection. If you sell both, I wouldn't even get filled because it would be a naked option. So I'm going to sell 10 here, 10 here. My max loss is $5,000. Remember, the spread, $5 wide, times 10 contracts, times 100 per contract. 5,000. Oh, did I say 10,000? Meant 5,000, which is double the previous one. And then this takes my risk. So I would have used 21,000 total. And I think I'd have $3,000 left because I did lose 800 bucks. So I'm going to click this order and I'm going to do 10. I want it to get filled. Let's go market order. Again, you're buying a bear spread. I know it's confusing. Let's click on that. Your order is pending. I want it to get filled. But regardless, I will keep a tracker. I didn't start a tracker yet. I've actually been a little too busy with work. Sadly, I'm too busy in the office. I'm moving up in my career, which is great as an accountant, but not as much time to do YouTube, which is, I guess, expected, I guess. And I don't think any of these got filled. What's up with that? They're still pending. I just want you guys to see what it looks like and see the charts and the graphs and of all this, but I kind of come back to it. So what I'm going to do, leave it here for now. This video will probably get too long, but the other video did pretty well. I think got 8,000 views, which I wasn't expecting. My options videos have been slowing down, so randomly getting 8,000 views. I do have a Discord server. It used to be paid, but since I'm not active on it anymore, it's not paid anymore. So let me know if you want to join it. Send me an email. You'll find my email in the channel description or in the about section. I can add you to the Discord. It's mainly 89 other traders, and we're just talking about stock options pretty much. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any adjustments or if you want me to try something different. Again, the market is up since I last did it, so I am inverting the market now. But when the market continues to go up like this, it's unprecedented. You know when I say the video's done and then I keep going? Year to date. Okay, am I frozen? Year to date, 8%. This is 2% off the average of the last 100 years. 8% this year alone, just this year. And then last 1 year from now, like 1 year previously, 26%. It just doesn't make sense. It's hard to make money selling options when the market's going up 26%. That does indirectly mean if the average is 10%, the next few years should be down a lot, or should be maybe hovering or breaking even. It doesn't make sense. Again, I didn't beat the market last year, but I've been beating it every year except 2018, 2020, and 2023. So 11 out of 14 years, I beat the market, but I'm not doing so well now. Thanks for watching. Tune in to the next one. I have to get back to work.